Lola.
Yeah.
Can you say ta? Tai. Tatay. Can you say daw ti? Ta. Louder. Ti. Can you say ti? Ta. Can you say ti? To. Oh, can you say thank you po? Thank you po. Thank you po. Ikaw daw. Ikaw daw. Louder. Thank you po. Again. Again. Thank you po. Thank you po. Again. Thank you. Thank you muna. Can you say open? Can you say sorry po? Sorry po. Ang galing ah. Can you say daw ta? Ta? Tay. Tatay. Galing ah. Can you say daw Jade? Can you say Jude? Can you say Dang? Can you say Eloy? Loy. Can you say Jar? Can you say Teya? Can you say Nixie? Can you say Tisay? Can you say Can you say Sansa? San? Can you say Ote? Toteng. Toteng, sabi mo. Can you say Mimi? Galing ah. Can you say Mom? Mama. Ay, kagaling ah. Can you say Papa? Ay, galing ah. Can you say Mama? Mama. Can you say Mama? Ang galing ah. Can you say Teya? Teya. Can you say Nixie? Can you say TV? Can you